Hey guys, it's Aubrey
and Tart, and welcome back to our channel.
Today we're going to be making air fryer donuts. Believe it or not, these are soft, fluffy, warm, and the glaze is the best.
If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below.
And I'm so excited, so without further ado, let's make these.
In a medium-sized bowl, add in 1 cup of milk heated to 110 degrees. To the milk, add in 1 teaspoon of sugar and 2.5 teaspoons active dry yeast. Give that a quick whisk and let it sit for about 5 minutes until foamy. And if your yeast isn't rising, you'll need to restart. Now add the yeast mixture to a bowl of a stand mixer. Along with that, add in a 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 large egg beaten. Give the mixture a quick whisk. Your mixture should look foamy and bubbly. Now to that, add in 4 tablespoons of melted butter and 2 cups of flour. You'll add in the remaining cup of flour later on. Add on your dough hook attachment and start mixing on low speed. And you want to be sure and scrape down the sides of the bowl as needed. Once the mixture is fully combined, add in the remaining 1 cup of flour. Then knead the dough for about 5 minutes on medium-high speed. Once done kneading, the dough should be elastic and should not stick to your hands. You also may need to add some more flour to the dough to make it the right consistency, but just keep in mind that you can always add in more flour, but you can't take any out. Then remove the dough from the stand mixer and transfer to a large bowl. Cover bowl with plastic wrap and let the dough rise for 30 minutes and until doubled in size. Once risen, punch dough and transfer to a lightly floured surface. Roll dough out to 1/2 inch thick. Now take a round cutter, and we're just using a cup, and cut out as many rounds as you can. Then use a smaller round cutter to cut out the center. Remove excess dough scraps from cut donuts, and be sure to keep the donut holes. Transfer donuts to a lined baking sheet, cover, and let them rise for about 20 minutes. While our donuts are rising, we're going to make the glaze. To 2 cups of powdered sugar, add in 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and whisk. Now add in milk as needed. We ended up adding about 2 tablespoons of milk. Your glaze should be silky and smooth, the perfect dipping consistency. And this is our favorite glaze for donuts. Preheat your air fryer to 350 degrees and spray the inside of your air fryer with oil spray. Then add in your donuts in a single layer and spray the tops of your donuts. 6 minutes later, they should be puffed and golden brown. Remove from air fryer and transfer to a cooling rack. And repeat the process with your donut holes, and they only take 4 minutes to cook. And look at how cute these little guys are. And now it's time to glaze your donuts. Dip each donut one at a time, flipping until it's covered in the glaze. Then transfer to a cooling rack to let the glaze set. And repeat the process with your remaining donuts. Glazing is my favorite part, it's so much fun. So to glaze the donut holes, once all of your donuts are glazed, dump in all of the donut holes, stirring until they are covered in the glaze. Then transfer them to a cooling rack to let the glaze set. And there you have a batch of fluffy donuts that were made in the air fryer and not deep fried.
You guys, I have had Krispy Kreme many a time, but nothing like these. They're honestly actually better than Krispy Kreme. They're just more satisfying.
And the donut holes are just as good.
So we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we will see you in our next video.
Bye!